Get some movement here in the neck, okay? Relax here for me. Very good. Okay. Relax right here for me. Excellent. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. Excellent. Relax right here for me. Good. Excellent. Good. Okay, we're going to get some movement down here. Tender here. Good. 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 All right. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Breathe in. Completely exhale. Very good.
All right. Take a big breath in, sir. All the way out. Here we go. And again, big breath. All the way out, please. Let it go. All the way. Good. Good. Right up here. Relax. Other way. Good. Good. And over here.
Let this go. I'm going to adjust you in just a second here. You're doing fine. Good. That side's really tight. Yeah.
Just like that. See, that was smooth as silk. Good. Perfect. Exhale. Exhale. There we go. Good. Okay. There we go. She always likes those. There we go. Good.
Just relax here. Wow. Feels like he's a self-adjuster. Good, nice. Okay, right there. Whoa, beautiful. Yikes. Good, nice, relaxing. Good, good, nice. Okay.
Good. Good, and then breathe out. So apply low pressure, 1. Hold that breath, don't breathe out. Good. That's it, and breathe out. How's that?
Oh man, that was deep.
There, deep breath in, and let it out. Twist. There we go. Breathe in, and out. Good. Deep breath in, and out. Good. There we go. And breathe out. We're gonna work right there. There you go.
Deep breath for me. Oh, yeah. Deep breath. Oh. Nice. Right? There we go. Deep breath. Nice. Oh, it's already going all the way up. Nice. Good. Nice. Wow, that was tight.
Man.
Oh, yeah. Good. Wow. Man.
And just relax. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down your spine.
Yeah, a bit.
Drop this in my hand. Okay, let me have you completely. Just tilt left a little bit. There you go. There you go. Oh yeah. Sound like a bowl of Rice Krispies. I'm just pouring on the milk. Okay, just keep breathing and exhaling. There.
Let's take a deep breath. Blow it all the way out. Good. Take another deep breath. All the way out. And one more time. Blow it out. Okay. Take a deep breath. Fantastic. All right, one more time. Fantastic. Traction. Okay, here we go. Good. Fantastic.
Relax right here. Very good. Feel that movement in there?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Very good. Relax right in here for me. Nice. Very good movement. Take a deep breath for me. Completely exhale. Very good. All right. Relax here for me. Very good. Relax here for me. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Let me have you lay face in the other way for me. Very good. Lay face up for me. This one you might feel it all the way through the low back. Very good. Definitely felt it in the upper neck, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Oh.
Yeah. Good. Take a deep breath. We found one. All the way out. Deep breath for me, bud. All the way out. Nice. He's young, so he moves really easily. All the way out. Good. Got a side. Good. Deep breath in. Nice. Man. Woo! Let's go face up. You ready?
Yeah.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Perfect. You okay?
Yeah.
One more. Oh, yeah. Good.
All right, now we're gonna go ahead and take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. See how I got down low and level with that? There you go. Take some deep ones. Yeah. And let me have your head completely. Wiggle your right big toe. Okay, that's not it. There it is. Okay. Nope, you're not letting me have you. Just let it go right in my hand. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good. And just exhale there. Jared came in and got to see one of our big NFL players leaving. We take care of some big boys here, don't we, Joseph?
Oh yeah.
Okay, keep breathing. Whenever you get your business app up and running, we'll let you give a big plug for that too. Nice deep breath through your nose. Relaxing. Oh yeah. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you? Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. And then the lower thoracics. Here. There we go. Good. And exhale for me. There we go. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to wrap this wet towel around his occiput and his mandible. Take a nice deep breath in. Let all your air out. There we go. Nice smooth pull. Did you feel that all the way down, Oswaldo?
Yes. Did you feel the movement there?
Yeah, let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good. Take a deep breath for me, Ash. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Now let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one. Tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.